Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Bella's Beauty. So really quick before we get into the updated wash and go, I want to go ahead and announce the 2K giveaway winner. I had a hat full of names and I very carefully went through and saw and picked out who followed all the directions for the contest. So you subscribed on YouTube, you liked both photos, and then you tagged like 2 friends or whatever. So if you make sure you did all of those on both pages, then you definitely had a chance of winning. So let's go ahead and see who won. So the winner of the contest is Shanti, so SHAUUNNTI. Congratulations, you are the winner for the 2K giveaway. So you're gonna get that big bag of goodies that you saw on my last video. So make sure that you reach out to me via Instagram DM or here on YouTube. I'm gonna @ you in the last post, and I'm also gonna mention you down in the comments. Just make sure you send me your address, love, and I will get those products to you as soon as possible. If she does not respond within 2 days, I will pick another name and we'll have another winner. So that's about it, you guys. Please enjoy this updated wash and go routine. I have a bunch of new products I kind of wanted to experiment with, and I have to say I've been enjoying them because my curls look so lovely after I use them. So keep watch and make sure you like, comment, and subscribe as usual.